April and Melanie. Abrir por acá, por acá, por acá. There's a cat right there, and we have a birdie right there. Because we just found it, but we're gonna hide it. It's so small, and it's all like
so cute.
all his freaking nails are like all smashed. But smash that thumbs up, We're gonna let her out.
Acá.
Comment down below what you think the birdie looks like, and we're gonna let it fly now. And give a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Aquí.
Ya déjalo.
We're gonna left you here.
We're gonna leave it right there.
Es que tiene mil.
Hey guys, if you're wondering, we talk Spanish. Whoa, that scared me. It's right there. It's right there, look. It's leaving.